That's enough. That's enough. Stop. No. No. Nisie, you can't do it either. You can't do it either. No. Hi.
Which was the best-selling manual for lovers? Sexual politics, the joy of sex, fear of flying, our bodies, ourselves.
That was
Joy of sex. Joy of sex.
Fear of flying.
Really?
Erica John.
Nope. The joy of sex.
Haha.
Hey!
Who was Truman Capote's first choice to star in Breakfast at Tiffany's?
It wasn't Audrey Hepburn because she's the one that did.
Catherine or Audrey Hepburn, Marilyn Monroe, or Shirley MacLaine?
Marilyn Monroe.
Probably.
Yep.
They're dancing. They're dancing.
Neil
Is this going to be on YouTube's?
Let's hope not.
Those are Scott's feet.
Neil Cassidy appeared as
Hey,
a
that's
fictional
enough.
and non-fictional character in which two books?